I'm making $200 a day working from home. Here's how, and you can do it too. So I have a customer that does hookah products here, and so they sent me 5 products, one video for each. I'm going to charge him at least $100 for this, maybe $120 total. But it's not going to take me more than 2 hours maximum to shoot all of these little videos and edit them, probably 90 minutes. Sounds pretty easy, right? Yeah, it is. And I actually teach people and show them how to do it too. Now, my other job for the day is going to be this juicer right here. So I have a customer. He typically pays me at least $100 to do a video. So this is what I'm going to be. I'm going to be making juice here. Like I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to do some close-ups. I'm going to show it juicing. And he actually paid for all of my fruit. Of course, this is $30 worth of fruit. So I guess you could say lunch is included in today's job. So 2 gigs, $200. This is not going to take me more than 4 hours max total to shoot all of this stuff and edit it. Probably 3, and it's definitely not hard labor, right? So if you've ever been interested in how to start your own product unboxing business, that's something I teach, I coach, and I help people do. You could start it off as a small little side hustle and turn it into something big if you want. So if you want more information, drop a comment below that says how. You could check out the link in bio, but the only thing that's going to prevent you from making money and getting started is you. So take action, take the first step. It's an amazing ride. It's a lot of fun, and you get to see a lot of really cool stuff too.